Create an OData web service. You now have a SQL database in Windows Azure with tables and data, but now you need a simple and unified way to query and manage that data from all of the applications that you will build. Web services provide an abstraction over your data storage technology, and with the broad adoption of web technologies and HTTP, RESTful web services are accessible from pretty much every platform and device. As a result, in this section you will create an OData web service using ASP.NET, an ADO.NET Entity Framework data model, and a WCF data service. Step 1. Open Visual Studio 2010 or above version. In the New Project dialog, browse to Installed, Templates, Visual C# and select the ASP.NET Empty Web Application and click on OK button. Step 2. In the Solution Explorer, right-click on the project name and select Add, New Item, browse to Installed, Visual C#, Data, and select ADO.NET Entity Data Model. Enter the name for ADO.NET Entity Data Model and click Add. You will now be presented with the Entity Data Model wizard. In the Entity Data Model wizard, select Generate from Database and click Next. Step 3. On the Choose Your Data Connection screen of the Entity Data Model wizard, click on the New Connection button to display the Connection Properties dialog and configure the connection to your Windows Azure SQL database. Step 4. Enter your Azure database connection string and username and password. Choose Database and click on OK button. Step 5. Select the Yes, include the sensitive data in the connection string option and name your entity connection, then click on Next button. Step 6. Select your table and click on Finish button. Step 7. Now that you have added an ADO.NET Entity Data Model to your Visual Studio project, you need to add a WCF data service. Right-click Solution Explorer and select Add, New Item, select WCF Data Service, click on button. Step 8. Open the EMP Data Service 1.svc and locate the first TODO comment in the EMP Data Service 1 class definition. Step 9. Now you can test your OData service. Right-click on EMP Data Service 1.svc in the Visual Studio Solution Explorer and select View in Browser.
For training, support and consulting inquiries, mail us, training@bispsolutions.com. Our website is www.bispsolutions.com. Thank you.